Hi to all, welcome to this second tutorial on architecture concept design. Before going to use this volume to start modeling, I want to show you the tools that we are going to use. So I will create a cube and show you first what tools we are going to use. First of all, I would like to underline that AEC now is active. That means that we can just push and pull the surfaces like this. When we are doing this, we can input the distance here 1 meter, so the distance we can push and pull the surface is constrained to 1 meter. All the drawing tools now behave in a special way. If I start drawing a line, you see that the surface under the mouse is highlighted by a red color. That means that we are going to start drawing on that surface. So now on this surface I start drawing the line near the edge up to this other edge here. If the curve splits the surface in two parts, we are able now to push-pull both of them in a separate way. Let's draw another curve. Start, end, and on an arch. I'll start drawing again on this surface, here, here, and down like that, and we can pull off part of the surface. Be aware that if you start drawing on a surface like this, but the surface is not split by the curve, it will be clear because you don't see two parts. But we can continue making another curve, for example, from here on the edge, and now we have our surface split in two pieces like this. So for example, if I start drawing an URBS curve over this edge, I'll start on the edge, E to confirm, and now we have split the surface into parts. So I can pull off that part like this. It is clear that the push-pull tool follows the normal of the surface in the point where we click. Of course, not all the surfaces can be pulled out or in a correct way. If I click on this one here and I try to pull it out, maybe I could end up with an invalid object. So be careful when you push-pull complex surfaces. This surface now, if I click, it's clear the direction of the push-pull tool. But quite often I would like to go in another direction. If I would like to move out this surface horizontally, we can do this by placing the UCS normal axis in the direction of the push-pull. UCS by normal, here, here. So my plane is on this plane here. The normal axis goes inwards. Keep the alternate key down and click on the surface. The push-pull direction is the normal of the UCS, so I can pull off this face and take out like this. So remember, single click, you push-pull in the direction of the face. Alternate click, you drag in the direction of the UCS normal like this. We can also start drawing here and drop out over the face. It would work in the same way. A very useful tool is the offset face edges. Offset face edges, we click on a face, right click to confirm, and then we see the edges of the face. We can input distance 0.3 to have a fixed distance offset, inside or outside. If we want the outside, we must keep the Ctrl key down and click. If we do not keep the Ctrl key down, the curve will be lost, since it doesn't drop into the face. Offset face again, 0.5, and drop it in the face, so we can extrude the face like this. If we start drawing a line from one edge, and this line does not split the surface in two parts, like this, we can continue drawing curves by snapping on the other parts and closing our curve, like this. Now we have made a valid surface closed.